welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I literally just had to hang up on this lady, and I don't even feel bad, because why you calling my phone with that BS? You keep calling my phone with that BS. Like, I don't want no promotions. Ain't nobody taking no vacations right now. Times is hard, big. Anyway, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all, I'm finally finna get my iPhone 17 Pro Max EX. Hopefully it comes with the bells and whistles. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, it comes already done up from the front up. But last time I got my phone, they literally told me I had to set it up by myself. So we're gonna see what's it gonna give when I get in there or whatever. I haven't had nothing to eat. I'm probably gonna stop by somewhere really quickly, somewhere cheap, not too much, and get me something to eat as well. But yeah, I'm excited. Oh my goodness. So this is gonna be my iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing and kind of review, first glance, everything in the book. I haven't picked it up. This is the T-Mobile. We're coming to the T-Mobile. T-Mobile. Why is it telling me to bust a U? Well, I'm gonna do that. To hit that thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I thought I was like, oh my god, they go a Chipotle. I just had Chipotle the other day. I don't need no Chipotle. You don't need no Chipotle. You don't need none. Alright. I really want some wings in a Philly. I'm tired of eating wings in a Philly. Me and this, we could be eating wings in a Philly like it ain't nothing. Like it ain't nothing. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm gonna get my new phone. Yes. I'm gonna have two phones. One for the and one for the. Yeah. One for the and one for the hoes. I got two phones. That button on ring. That button on ring. That button on ring. Baby. Who's calling my line? Who's calling? Who's calling it? Is it Stacy? Is it Keisha? What about the function? What about the function? Am I in right now? Alright, y'all. So there's the T-Mobile or whatever. Y'all, I'm very excited. It looks like there's a few people in here. I'm just gonna go pick up my little phone or whatever, and we're gonna come to the car and we're gonna review her. We're gonna do her the biggest donos, y'all. Like, I'm excited. Guys, look what I got. So unbox my new iPhone 17 Pro Max with me. Unbox it with me. So first glance, guys, this is what it's giving without, you know what I'm saying, opening the package or whatever. Hold on, I gotta get a thumbnail. Okay, so boom, it's so sleek. So let me bust it out the seams. No, I didn't get a charger. No, I didn't get none of that, because baby, who finna pay for all that? I gotta get a case, and some more shit. But yeah, so we busting it out. Ooh, shake. Oh my gosh. So I got the orange one, guys. I got the orange one because none of the other colors popped. None of them popped. None of them. I mean, none of them popped. This is so huge, you guys. And like, y'all, I am so excited. I really don't even want to take it out because I don't have a case just yet. I literally don't have a case just yet. So this is a close-up of it. This is what it looks like. This is what it's giving. Y'all, it has like the little bar. It has the 3 cameras. I do have currently the 15 Pro Max, which I'm glad I get to keep my device or whatever. So yes, I'm excited. So yeah, y'all, so this is my new phone. I'm gonna have to transfer everything and set everything up. Oh my gosh. So it does come with a charger. It does come with a charging cord, which I really needed another charging cord. So it comes with, hold on, y'all. Dang, they don't even have anything, no space inside the box anymore. You know how the box used to be deep? The box is so thin now. So boom, literally this is what it's giving right here. So yeah, this is what it's giving coming outside of the box. It has this little screen protector on it. We're just gonna peel it. Are we gonna peel it off? Yeah, we're just gonna do it. Just gonna peel it off really quick. Come on, it don't want to peel, girl. Oh, there you go. Peel from the bottom. Ooh la la. Look how fresh. Look how clean. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm excited. So let's turn it on. How you turn it on? We're gonna turn it on. Y'all, I'm excited. Like, look at it. Just look. Oh my gosh. Finally got me a new phone. Hello, it's me. Yeah, I love it. So it does come with a little cord or whatever, which I need, and there's nothing else inside the fucking box. Nothing, literally. So yeah. Let me stop. Okay, so boom, bada boom. They say when I set it up, my other phone is just gonna like, yeah, going to deactivate. So we're gonna set it up, as you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. So as you guys can see, all we have to do is click the English, and I'm in the United States. Literally, I'm gonna do large because I'm blind as a bat. Literally, y'all, this is really self-explanatory or whatever. We're just gonna, you know, do the minimum steps. All those apps downloading and stuff like that, I'm just gonna, you know, quickly set up your phone, looking for other devices nearby. Let me see something. Bring your iPad, sign into your, okay, boom. Hold on, they making it easy on me. So I literally just set it up to my other phone. So hold on, let me see if I can literally use my other phone to just, you know, take the picture. So literally all I did was scan it with my other phone and get my new phone ready. So this is very great. This is great. Keep this phone near your other phone while setting up. Okay, so I'm going to click on this phone, set up for me. So I got that all together. So literally they're all pairing and stuff. It's saying like enter your other phone passcode. They got the security on lock. Choose the Wi-Fi. I don't have any Wi-Fi. I don't have any Wi-Fi, girl. The phone's supposed to be on. Maybe I gotta finish this when I get home. I don't have any Xfinity Wi-Fi. Basically, y'all, I got this far or whatever. I'm gonna have to just wait till I get back home to finish setting it up. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. At home or whatever, so we're gonna finish setting up my new cellular device. I did order my new case and everything like that off Amazon. So on the next video, we're gonna be doing what's on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you know, with the new case and screen protector and stuff. So we're just gonna go back off of where we left off at, which is setting up the Wi-Fi. We're going to use the Wi-Fi, choose a network, gonna put my network password in. Hopefully that's the right password. Okay, so boom, connected to the Wi-Fi. Might take a few minutes to set up iPhone, y'all. I am loving how they got everything all set up. I'm loving how now they got everything easier for the person that's buying the phone. You know, they can easily just transfer one device to the next, and you know, without, you know, standing in line or being at the store for a long time. So while that's updating or whatever, I'm gonna tell you guys like what I like about the phone so far. What I like is I love the phone color. I love how big it is. I love that it's kind of thicker and it's kind of heavier, kind of lightweight. And do you guys see like the 3D of the back side of the camera and stuff like that? Hold on, let me see. And the back is so cute, and I love the color. I'm honestly glad that I got the orange one instead. So this is my 15 plus side by side with the 17 Pro Max. As you guys can see, it's not much of a size difference. Maybe because I have my case on there, but you guys can see the difference between the two or whatever. But I'm super excited. Let me swipe up, let me see what's going on. It's saying software update. We're going to update that now, and we're going to let that load. Agree. Boom, 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 boom. So the software update is actually doing that right now. So yeah, we're gonna come back when that is completely done. Setting up, it is setting up, and it's done added to my account or whatever. Make this your new iPhone. Continue. Wallet for items. Siri. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. So it's just asking me everything that I want to do, and I'm just gonna say continue. Turn on location services. Cards, add that card later. Add that card later. I don't know. I think I know that one. 520, yeah. Well, it's asking too much. Express yourself. I don't want all that. Apple Intelligence. Oh no, I don't want all that. That shit off my phone. Okay, it's telling you like everything that it does. It's telling you all the functions. blah 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 blah, flashlight, silent mode, flashlight, all this extra stuff. So I guess we're gonna do this as a side. Ooh, look how it do. Ooh, okay. Okay, I guess this is gonna be the button for silent mode. Set up SOS, waiting for my other iPhone to complete the backup. And yeah, so now we gotta back the phone up. Y'all, this is too much. It's kind of too much. I'm glad I didn't have to do this at the stove. But yeah, let's see how long it's gonna take for the phone to back up. And yeah, we're gonna come back again. So now my phone is officially transferred my data and stuff, so it has all my apps. It's now downloading all my apps on my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Y'all, I am super excited for my new phone. So now I'm just waiting for all the apps to download. I really don't want to wear it around. I said wear it around, walk with it around, because of the simple fact of yeah, I don't have a case on it, so I'm just gonna have to keep it in my pocket or whatever. But I do have to, you know, have it because now it's on or whatever. I did not know it was going to just transfer all my apps and stuff like that right there, which I don't want, because yeah, I want that to be like a little work phone and stuff. But yeah, y'all, so that is it for my little unboxing for my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.